Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm so excited to share these products with you because one of them you have been asking for a long time, and I kept saying no, 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 and then all of a sudden I said yes. But first, I want to share with you a release from the vault. We by request, and we always do this whenever we have something in the vault that's like retired and we get so many requests for them. Failing counts the requests, and once it hits a certain number, then we do bring it back. Well, this one hit the number, and so we brought it back. This is the basic step up, and look at how fun this card is because it creates that stair step. Now, chances are you have made a card like this in real life, right? And you've taken your cardstock and your scoring tool and your ruler and your trimmer, and you've measured and you've cut and you've scored, and then you measured again and cut there and scored there, and then you try to put this together. Well, you know what? That's great. That's great if that works for you. But now there's a die that you could just run it through your die cut machine, and I could probably make 20 this way with the die before you could make one the old-fashioned way. And look at how cute it is. Now it also comes with extra dies, which is really exciting. It comes with layering dies, 2 different layering dies for the stair steps, flowers, some swirls, some leaves. So much fun. And I have even more samples to share with you. We're also releasing, some of you might have seen the sneak peek, a Little Peeps Frog. Now, every time I think of a frog, I think of my Uncle Bill because he loved frogs. And look at how cute this little guy is. I'm sorry I forgot your birthday. Let's go to the pool. You are totally awesome. Get it? Toad, frog, toad. Hip, hop, hop, hooray. And he has a little snorkel. Now, my friends, don't forget, all of our little peeps, the clothing is interchangeable. So if I wanted to put this snorkel on Little Pete Miller or the giraffe or the dog, I could. The clothing as well. They're all interchangeable. So they're like little paper dolls. You mix and match. But the samples I have to share with you are so adorable. Also, ready for this? What is this? This is a pack of paper that matches our most popular cardstock colors. Why do we have this? Let me show you. Why do we have this? Now, you're getting lots of different colors. You're getting green, you're getting orange. I'm not gonna say the names because I know I'm gonna mess up, but I think it's kiwi, ocean, pixie, tangerine, or marigold. That's candy, that is mint chip, that's sunshine, and that's probably sky. But listen to this. It's text weight paper. Why? Why? To make your envelopes. Now you can make colored envelopes. Now, we considered selling just the colored envelopes, but then you know what? Whatever size we sold, you would need the other size, right? So for example, what if you need a mini slimline envelope? Or what if you need an A2 size envelope? Or what if you need whatever. Now you have the text weight paper that is perfect for making those envelopes. Oh, I know, isn't it awesome? So now you can make colored envelopes, which are so fun. So if you like these, perhaps we'll add more colors, but we wanted to give you a pack of different colors. That way you didn't have to buy one pack of one color, because I mean, really, are you gonna make that many sky blue envelopes in a certain amount of time? So now you have lots of options. Now, let's look at our fun samples. Here is an adorable one with our cute little froggy. I absolutely positively love how cute he is. And you know what? You can do him in different colors. So we have green, we have blue, we have red, we have yellow, and isn't that cute? Folds flat for mailing. So you can do it flat for mailing and then it opens up. I absolutely love that one. Now here's a cute one. This is a cute slimline, and that's with our little flamingo pool float. And look, he looks like he's ready to go jump in that pool. I absolutely think that's so cute. Ooh, here's a fun shaker card. You could make into a shaker, hooray. And look at him, he's like hanging out there. He's kind of checking it out. Oh, or you can pair him with one of the other little peeps. Look how cute that is with that little doggy and that surfboard. Here's a cute one. Don't ever, whoops, this one's extra. Don't ever, ever, ever forget about the wobbles. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Little wobble. Let's make a splash. I love that. And you can make your own pattern paper just by stamping in different colors that pool floaty to stamp, and then you can add it there as well. So cute. Or Put him in the fishbowl. Isn't that cute? Pool party. Can you imagine getting an invitation like this in the mail? You would be flabbergasted. That is absolutely adorable. Or you could put him in the 5x7 pool, fold it. You are totally awesome. And look at that little shark. Isn't he cute? That pudgy shark is so fun. You could also put him in a little pond. You are totally awesome. Or he could just be saying, let's go to the pool. So cute on a mini slimline. And here we have him. I'm so sorry I forgot your birthday. So cute. And then, oh my goodness gracious. Or you could make him a farmer. Look at how cute these are. The little peeps go perfect with the barn fold it. You could turn him into a cute little farmer toad. Now let's look at our step up samples. Here's the one I just already showed you, basic step up. Here's one decorated even more. Look at that. Shallow there. Look at those cute little torties. And you know what? Of course it folds flat for mailing. Easy peasy. Isn't that cute with the cute little torties on there? I love it. Ooh, or you could do the cupcake. Look how fun that cupcake is with those beautiful flowers. You can have those flowers go up as high as you want, right? To go up as high as you want right over here. Also, there is a layering dice. So you can put it on the back if you want to write your message on the back, or you could even put your message on the inside right there and you can write your little message. Here's a cute one with our little nomettes. It's your birthday, have fungus. Isn't that cute? And you could write your little message just right on the inside. Now here's a cute one. Look at the little ladybug. Sending you a hug, ladybug. Look how cute that is with those fun flowers. Now, I want to show you how easy this is to die cut because it's, I've already die cut it, but how easy it is to fold because it's very, very easy. Here I've gone and I've die cut the actual card itself and I die cut one of the layers. What you're gonna do, it's scored it, it's cut it, and it's scored it for me everywhere it needs to be scored. I am going to ignore the stair steps, ignore all those stair steps, and I'm just gonna fold on this center line. Ignore the stair steps, don't even look at them, don't look over here, just fold right here, right? Just fold right there. Then I am going to stair step or accordion fold or mountain and valley fold these. So this is my mountain, this is my valley, this is my mountain, this is my valley, and this is my mountain. Now I have my card base, just like that, and I can even bring in my bone folder and really score that down so they really look great. And then I'm going to add this little layering piece, so there I have that, and I'm just gonna add some adhesive to the back of this. Easy peasy. Now, you get to decorate this any way you like. It can be any theme you want, anything like that, but let me just add this layering piece on there just so you can see how easy that is to add those layering pieces. And now I get to decorate my card. So simple, right? Now, what if you're saying, gosh, that's really awesome, but I wish the stair steps could go on the other side. I really want the stair steps to go on the other side because I don't know, why, whatever. Great, okay. You're going to flip it around and stair step it the opposite way. Now you have the stair steps on the other side. You get to pick. Isn't that awesome? My friends, club members, you get the club discount on all of these products. If you're not in the club, you're missing out. You could get a 15 to 20% discount off of everything on our website. Go look at our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on the video that says join the club. Just watch that video and you're going to find out all the multiple reasons why you should be in the club. And thank you so much. If I went too fast on any of these samples, don't worry. You know what? We have an idea gallery on our website that has all of these ideas and thousands more, all organized by item. So go check that out as well too. Thank you so much. I'll see you again on thestampsoflife.com. Bye-bye.